The 6.98 liter 426 cubic inch supercharged Hellephant V8 crate engine was supposed to begin deliveries to customers before the end of the year, but we have yet to see one being delivered so far. FCA began taking orders for the $29,995 powerplant on April 26th and sold out all of them within 48 hours. However, the Mopar parts division discovered that too much camshaft tension was causing them to break. The company delayed shipping out the powerplants until this problem was solved. The Hellephant engine produces an amazing 1,000 horsepower and 950 foot-pounds of torque. Each one comes with a water pump, flywheel, oil pan for the front sump, supercharger and throttle body, coil packs, and fuel injectors. For $2,265 extra, buyers were able to add a package of extra equipment that includes a powertrain control module, power distribution center, harness for the chassis and engine wiring, ground jumper, oxygen sensors, charge air temperature sensors, and fuel pump control module. Mopar says it makes for a relatively simple plug-and-play by experienced installers. Mopar debuted the Hellephant at the 2018 SEMA show by stuffing the engine into a 1968 Dodge Charger Restomod. The engine hooked up to a 6-speed manual. To stop, the car had huge Brembo brakes and they were behind 20-inch wheels in front of 21-inch pieces in the back. It packed also an overhauled body with wider fenders and shorter front overhang than stock.